In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to add a password by tapping on Add Password here and entering all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or click on Select App to tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!